Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure and assemble ingredients first. Use 1 cup Jaggery, 1/2 cup butter, and 2 cups all-purpose flour for the base. Add 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla for flavor balance. Prepare 2-3 tablespoons milk to adjust dough consistency later. Preheat oven only after dough rests. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and set a cooling rack nearby. Keep Jaggery in small chunks so it blends evenly when creamed with butter. And weigh ingredients if precise texture is important. Cream Jaggery and 1/2 cup butter until light and fluffy, about 3-4 minutes using a mixer or vigorous hand whisking. Gradually fold in 2 cups flour and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder until the mixture becomes crumbly. Add 2-3 tablespoons milk 1 tablespoon at a time to bring the dough together. Do not overhydrate. Form a disc, wrap in plastic, and chill dough 30 minutes to firm fats and ease rolling. After chilling, roll to 1/4-inch thickness and use cookie cutters for uniform biscuits. Arrange cut biscuits on a parchment-lined tray, leaving 1 inch between pieces. Bake at 350 degrees F for 12-15 minutes until edges are golden brown and centers set. Baking time depends on size. Remove tray and cool on a wire rack 10 minutes before transferring to avoid breakage and preserve texture. For crispier biscuits, cool completely uncovered. For softer texture, seal after room temperature cool. Store finished Jaggery biscuits in an airtight container at room temperature up to 2 weeks, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.